Let's talk about how to start a successful online business in 2022. Now, the best way to start is by giving you a very good example. Now, yesterday I was on my YouTube page and I came across MKBHD. So it was a very short video and I thought, you know what, let me play it and find out what this is about. When I played the video, I realized he is selling his ultimate channel toolbox design kit. And I was thinking to myself, well, that's something that I really need, because if you look at my YouTube videos, they don't have any animations, they don't have much going on. And I got to this page where he talks further about how it works. Guys, this is how people are making money online. They're selling digital products, they're doing affiliate marketing, they're doing consulting, all online. And this is how you can set up your business. So let's go through the 3 different ways or 3 different business models that you can start off with in 2022. So the first one here is creating a digital product. Now, why is this important? So in this example here of MKBHD, he created this toolbox once, and this is going to be sold over and over and over again. Other examples of digital products are online courses. So you can turn your expertise into a course. 2 days ago, I received a message that the fence on my farm was stolen. I don't have any guard dogs at the farm. I don't even have any good security there, but this was a wake-up call. So I went on and started doing some research on what type of dogs I would need there. Now, personally, I fear dogs a lot. I mean, I've been bitten once as a kid. So looking for a really good dog is very, very important for me. So as I was doing my research, I really drilled down and I was more interested in a German Shepherd because according to my research, very easy to train and it's a dog that is very, very intelligent. So as I was going through some of these YouTube videos, I realized that some of these people that were creating all these videos also had courses attached to them where they teach you how to train your dog. So do you see where I'm going with this? This is really, really, really good. So that course can only be created once and sold over and over again. And this is why online courses or creating digital products is highly, highly profitable. So other products that you can create are food recipes. You can also create templates, child themes, and so on. Now let's move on to the next business model. So this one here is affiliate marketing. And I really, really love this as well, because affiliate marketing means you don't have to create a product like we did here in the first step. So you may find it difficult to create your online course or to create your templates and so on. But with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create a product. The product is there for you. Actually, I promote affiliate products in my online business. I promote Divi. Right now, I'm promoting System.io because I found it very, very amazing and fantastic. And I also highly recommend that you use it as well. And guess what? I have an affiliate link as well. So when it comes to physical products, Amazon is the biggest place that you can go and promote their products. But here's the thing. This is where you need to be very, very careful, because when it comes to physical products, the commissions are lower than digital products. Now, digital products can go as high as 40% or even 50%. For example, System.io, if you decide to promote it, you get 40% commission. And Elegant Themes, if you decide to promote Divi, you also get 50% commission. But with Amazon, for example, you get as low as 2%, sometimes even 3%. So you would need a lot of sales in order for this to become a very good business. So you need to pick your affiliate products very, very carefully. All right, so let's talk about the third business model, and this is consulting. Consulting has become much, much easier nowadays because you don't have to be face-to-face physically with the person or the group of people that you want to consult. You can do this purely online. So all you need is a digital camera and a membership software. So again, this is a very, very simple system to set up. And the software that you're going to need for this is Zoom or other online software or even webinars. And these are the 3 business models that you can create in 2022 to be successful. Now, the question is, how do you get all this working together? So to get your online business to work, you're going to need key elements to work together efficiently in order for you to run this business successfully. And these key elements are sales funnels, payment gateways, and email marketing automation. So how do we set this up? Well, if you're on the WordPress platform, you are going to need different types of services, which you're going to patch together and make them work. And it does work. But if you don't want to mess around with all that tech and setting up and making sure things are working okay, the great news is System.io can do this for you, all under one umbrella. This is fantastic. It's amazing. And as you can see, I'm also using System.io and I'm finding it really, really exciting to use. And this is why I'm recommending this to you. So the same way you're going to need fuel to drive your car, you're also going to need some sort of fuel for your online business. And the fuel is traffic. This is the most difficult part. This is the most difficult part of your online business because creating traffic is not easy. You either have to use paid ads or you have to do it organically. And this is why I am creating an online membership, which is purely for anyone that wants to create an online business, but you have to be on a paid membership on System.io in order for you to get access to this online membership. It's purely for creating online businesses. I will have more information to that in the video description below. So in a nutshell, this is what you need to create a functional online business. And there's a lot of people making thousands, even millions per year using these three methods. Let me know what you guys think in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.